Ceceni ici ciakĩtwo rungu rwa ũnyitanĩri na thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia na honge itarĩ cia gĩthirikari, muoroto wacio ũrĩ kũhukia ũici wa mahiũ ũrĩa ũtũragia aikari a Maianat na Kĩagago. Atongoria a mwena ũyũ makĩũria kũheo kĩgĩna kĩa mwanya gĩa gũthondeka barabara cia gĩcigo gĩkĩ iria irĩkoragwo ikĩhotithia kũhũrana na ũici wa mahiũ mwena ũyũ.
We have agreed the 2 million for the leasing program. We'll give some money purposely for security roads. I know in my ward I have Sek Wakumbe Road that has not been completed, and I also have Doldol to Kipsing. It needed some repair and it needed some culverts so that those people who are in Sek, the JSU in Sek, can access the areas they want.
Mũmbunge wa Laikipia ya Rũgongo Sarah Korere nĩ orĩtie maabitha ũgitĩri arĩa mandĩkaga maabitha a mũhohio nĩo NPR kũmathũrimaga wega makĩmandĩka nĩguo kũgirĩrĩria mĩitũ kuma kaunti ingĩ kũheo wĩra ũyũ wa kũrangĩra mũingĩ.
Hakuna vile tutaandika NPR. Mimi naenda na sukumana national government tunapewa bunduki ya NPR. NPR wakiandika Ole Naisho ati unaenda mpaka Baragoi kutafuta NPR. Please. Because some people can end up being a security threat. You go bring a person, you don't know their background, you don't know who they are talking to, you are harassed by cattle rustlers day in and day out because they have insiders amongst ourselves. So please make sure you vet these guys who are employed as NPR, because we also don't want to arm people who become a security threat to our communities, to our neighbors, and even to their own selves.
Ile kitu hatuna ni dosa ya kuweza kufanya sehemu hiyo. Mimi nimeleta Gireda Shulumai ikashindwa na kuteremka huko kwa sababu inahitaji doza. Huwezi fanya hiyo kazi. So ongea na wale stakeholders ama partners ili tuweze kupata doza. Barabara ile tunataka kuunda ni 3. Tunataka kuunda barabara ya Seki kwenda mpaka chini, ili Kivaro ikiweza kutoka inaweza pita hapo bila kuwa na shida.
Gavana Joshua Irungu nĩeranĩire kũruta kĩgĩna gĩa gwĩkĩra matinga maguta marĩa mekũhingũra barabara cia mwena ũyũ nĩguo kũhũthia wĩra wa maabitha a ũgitĩri magĩkinyĩra mĩitũ rĩrĩa yahithũkĩra aikari na gwĩthara na mahiũ mao.
Tutatoa mafuta ile yote itahitajika kufungua hizi mabarabara zetu, and sana sana mambo ya security road. Na kwa hivyo vile tumesema tukitoka hapa tuko na mkutano ingine, na ndio tuende pamoja na watu wetu wa Lodaiga, twende tuone watu wa Batuk zile doza wako nazo waweze kutusaidia. Wakitusaidia si tunaweka mafuta zinakuja kutengeneza hizo barabara zetu za security, ndio watu wetu waweze kukaa na amani.
Gĩcigo gĩkĩ kĩa Laikipia Rũgongo nĩ kĩgũmagĩrwo nĩ ũici wa mahiũ, kuona kĩrĩ mũhaka-inĩ na thirikari ĩkoretwo ĩkĩgeria njĩra ciothe kũgacĩrithia ũgitĩri. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Paul Mwaniki.